Welcome to Sensei. If you're seeing this screen, that means you've successfully registered for a teacher account. Let's get started. Here is your quick start guide. This is a quick and simple guide to get you started with Sensei. Basically, you have to create a new course as the first step, and then you have to create a new lesson as the second step. Then you get to create your speaking exercises as the third step. There are many different types of speaking exercises that you can create, which I will go in more detail in future videos. And then you will share the exercise URL, pin, or QR code with students so that they can practice speaking. Sensei is a web app, so there is absolutely no app for the students to download. They simply have to go to our website. So when you're back on your dashboard, the main place to go is courses. Basically, here is where you can create a new course by clicking this button here. And I'll go ahead and create a course by entering a course name. And I wanted to highlight that there are 3 different types of scoring that's available for you to choose. Most Details gives students a score from 0 to 100. Medium Details gives students a score of 0 to 5 stars. And the Minimum Details gives students a message that says great job or try again if no audio was detected. All you have to do is select a scoring option and then click Save. So remember when I said you had to create a lesson as the next step? So here we are, create new lesson. So we'll go ahead and click that and we'll give it a name. Lesson is really important because it is the holder for all of your exercises, and you can actually share a lesson pin with students so that they can access multiple speaking exercises with just one pin. So it's very powerful, but we'll return to lesson in a moment. Here is where you actually create the individual exercises. As I mentioned earlier, there are 5 different types of exercises: reading, video, question and answer, self-practice, and image. I will go into detail on each exercise type in future videos, but for now, let's just focus on reading, which is the most straightforward type of exercise. You basically put in the text that you would like your student to read, and they will be graded on their fluency, pronunciation, and word match. So just for demonstration purposes, I put in a very simple sentence and I've clicked Save. At this point, you can share the individual exercise with students, or you can go back to lesson and create multiple speaking exercises, which is what I'm actually going to do because it's quite popular for our teachers to create more than one exercise. So I'll just go ahead and say reading 2, and I will say, as again, just for demonstration purposes. So now we have 2 exercises in this one lesson. You can see here, reading 1 and reading 2. So as I mentioned, you just click here, share lesson with students, and there is a unique QR code, pin, as well as URL link for the students. And you can go ahead and copy the link and share it on any LMS or other system that you use to share assignments with students in. They see this website. The pin has already been provided. All they have to do is type in their name and click login. And since we created 2 exercises for this one lesson pin code, you'll see that they can see both. So now I'll go ahead and demonstrate what it looks like on the student side when they go in and complete a recording.